Welcome back. When a major disaster strikes, it's not uncommon for people to be displaced from their homes. In Spencer, where many people are currently displaced, they're able to take advantage of two shelters now. One on the north side, which is in a former shopping mall. The other at the other end of town, in fact, all the way to the south, past the floodwaters. Both of those centers located in churches there in Spencer. Flooding Little Sioux River divides that community. There were hundreds displaced from those homes. Now the Spencer Chamber of Commerce director is leading an effort to make sure everyone has a place to stay and eat.
We're actually in the process of working with Red Cross, and we will start transitioning that over to them. Both the the tracking of individuals that are at those facilities, and then also making sure those facilities are equipped with what they need, and then working with Red Cross to get those individuals into more permanent locations. And what that is at this point, I don't know yet.
And as the community waits to be able to get back into those neighborhoods and do massive cleanup, the mayor telling us that there's still no total on how many homes were damaged exactly, or how many will be able to be cleaned up and used again. We'll continue to follow along there.